Hello all, welcome to our channel Varsha Colors. In this video, Varsha is going to paint our favorite cartoon character, Winnie the Pooh. It's a small painting on paper using acrylic colors. So it's basically an acrylic painting. It's a small and easy painting for kids. The painting ends with a message that Pooh gave to Piglet. If you like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share if you want to. Also, to watch more of our creations, please visit our channel and hit the bell icon. And also in the comments, let us know what do you think of our other paintings, as well as if Winnie the Pooh was one of your favorite cartoon characters as well in your childhood. Thank you so much, and here we go.